wondered how businesses make sense of the heaps of data they collect daily? Welcome to the fascinating realm of data analytics. It is the secret sauce behind turning raw data into meaningful insight. Let's embark on a journey to understand the basics and unravel the power of data-driven decision making. In the vast landscape of data analytics serves as a guiding light. It involves dissecting, interpreting, and deriving valuable insights from data sets. Businesses leverage this process to enhance decision making, improve operational efficiencies, and gain competitive edge. The heart of data analytics lies in various techniques, including statistical data analysis, machine learning, and data visualizations. From predictive modeling to uncovering patterns, it is a multifaceted approach that empowers organizations to navigate the complexities of the digital age. Understanding these basics involves grasping key concepts like data types, sources, and formats. It is akin to learning the alphabet of the data language. With the right tools and technologies, data analytics becomes a dynamic force. Python, R, SQL, and advanced visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI are instrumental in transforming raw data into actionable insights. Data cleaning and pre-processing techniques ensure that the information is pristine and ready for analysis. In a nutshell, data analysis is a compass guiding businesses through the data-driven era. Armed with powerful tools and a robust understanding of key concepts, you are now ready to navigate the exciting world of data analysis and turning data into insight. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the intricacies of data analytics. Thank you.